Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make the rice. So what I want to do is first we need to go to the variables and write down the rice. So here we're gonna click on make a variable. So we're gonna make rice variable. So what I want to do is here I'm gonna grab the set lives block from the variable set lives to 0. So right now instead of 0 we're gonna write set lives to 3. And we're gonna put this headlines to 3 underneath after when green flag is clicked. And next, what we want to do for next, we change lives by 1. So we're gonna grab change lives by 1 instead of by 1. We're gonna write down change lives by -1 because we're gonna test it out if Toucan touches a hot air balloon, then of course a hot air balloon will lose its life. So here we're gonna have a change lives by -1, and what we're gonna put, we're gonna attach this change lives by -1 inside the if then block where it says define collision. And for the next block, what we need to do, we need to go to the controls, and we will need to grab the if then block. And next we need to go to the operators and grab the less than 50. Instead of less than 50, we're going to write down less than 1. And for that, we need to go to the variables and grab the lives bubble where it says if lives is less than 1, we will put it below the if then block. And next, we got our if lives is less than 1, then next block, we need to go to the control and grab the block where it says stop all, just to test it out. If our hot air balloon touches it to cane, hot air balloon will lose its 1 life. Let's test it out. So let's test out if our hot air balloon loses its life. Will it work? Yes, Toucan touches his first balloon. Our first life is gone. And now I'm going to let this bird touch our hot air balloon so that our hot air balloon loses its second life. Yes, our hot air balloon loses its second life. And will the hot air balloon lose its third life? Yes, it does. Our hot air balloon loses all 3 lives. Well, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the toucan. And for the toucan one, the size is too big. We don't want it, right? So for set size to 70%, we're gonna decrease it by half. Instead of 70%, we're gonna write down 50% for our first toucan. And for the next toucan sprite, we're gonna decrease our size to again half, which is from 70% to let's say 50%, right? And for the last toucan, what we're going to do, we're going to decrease its size by 50. So we're going to write down, instead of set size to 70%, we're going to write down set size to 50%. And next, we're going to go move on to the coin, right? Where it says our set size when green flag is clicked and set size is to 70%. Yes, but we're going to decrease this coin size from 70% to 50%. Instead of set size to 70% for the coin, we're going to decrease this coin size to 50%. And let's test it out if our bird size and the coin has been reduced to 50% each. Let's test it out, and I'll click on the green flag. And I will test it out if our hot air balloon can move freely and avoid those 3 toucans. Will it work this time? Yes, it can. Right now we are not able to collect the coins. That's bad, right? So what do we need to do to make our hot air balloon collect the coins? We need to go to my block, make a function of collected block. So here we've got our define collected. And what else we need? We need to go to the control one and grab the if then block. And for that, we need to go to the sensing and grab if touching hot air balloon. from the same thing, then what it should do, we need to get these four remaining blocks from the forever loop. So we're gonna grab the wait for seconds, hide, go to X, click random, and Y, click random and show. We'll take these blocks from the forever one. I'm just going to exchange those wait for seconds block and put those wait for seconds block after the hide one. When we touch the coin, it should hide next and it should wait. Second, it should wait for 4 seconds. Third, the coin should go to a new random position. And last one, the coin will show up. And that's how to implement collecting the coin, hiding, waiting for seconds, and going to a new random position. And the coin shows up. There you go. Right now we need to go to the variables and let's click on the make a variable instead of live. We're gonna write down score. That will be our hot air balloon collecting the coins. And for the score, we'll put this one in its right hand position. And for this one, I'm gonna grab set score to 0 after when green flag is clicked and change score by 1. I'm gonna grab this change score by 1 and we are gonna put this one in the after is touching hot air balloon there. And next what we're going to do, we need to go to the control one and grab the if then block. And next we need to go to the operators and grab the greater than sign one. And next we need to go to the variables and grab the score bubble from the variables section. And we're gonna place it in place of the blank space one. And we're gonna attach score greater than 50. But instead of score greater than 50, let's make it easy. We're gonna write down greater if score is greater than 19. If score is greater than 19, then what it should do, then we need to go to the events and we need to go on to the broadcast and click the new message and write down broadcast win. And we're gonna put this broadcast win inside if score is greater than 19. And for the next one, what we're going to do, we're going to the we need to go to the control one and grab the topple after inside the if score is greater than 19, then broadcast wins topple. That would be our hot air balloon game collecting the coins. And let's test it out if our hot air balloon can collect in because hot air balloon can collect 19 coins, but it's greater than 19, which means we need to collect to 20. That would be our main target. And let's test it out if our hot air balloon can collect till 20 coins. Got the first coin. And now I'm going to grab the second coin. And I will make sure that I will not lose a life because the challenge is you need to collect the coins till 20 will be our main priority. And I will take that and I'll collect the fifth coin. Oh yes, I've collected 71 just. Yes, 13 one has been collected. Oh, I collected 71 just. And now I have 19 points. I need one more to get to the 20 mark. Will I get to the 20 mark? Yes! I've collected it! 20 has been collected! And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.